What you say about the food? You not eat no more? I something I do on my phone. You ever have a hard time?
Yeah, man, don't rest on my chest.
But you cut this something together, eat it, you just attack it. Wait.
Sometimes you have to try to restrain yourself because if you don't do that, you'll get carried away.
Mm-hmm.
Just one more fork and then meat. That's it. Done. And just cut up the dumpling and put it. What? You don't understand how serious them something is, you know. But I just 3 pieces. We should have just use them up on. What do you think?
You not eat no more though. Don't go rest on your chest.
That's two. Let me just finish up this and
Mm-hmm.
because that's two.
And then you're gonna have a hard time.
Sometimes you have to make up your mind to pay the consequences.
Mm-hmm.
But what? You only have one life to live.
And then I'm gonna hear later how I should not eat that food.
That's true.